Hey everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most essential tools for any artist out there, the Amazon Basics Sketch and Drawing Art Pencil Kit. If you're looking to elevate your sketching game or just starting out, this might just be the best sketching art set available in the market right now. This kit is packed with everything you need to unleash your creativity, from precise graphite pencils to versatile charcoal sticks. Stick around as we break down what makes this kit a standout choice. Let's kick things off with what you get in this comprehensive 17-piece set. You'll find 6 different graphite pencils, ranging from 2H to 3B, perfect for everything from fine lines to bold shading. There are also 3 charcoal pencils, soft, medium, and hard, ideal for achieving deep, rich tones. But that's not all. The kit also includes 4 compressed sketch sticks, featuring both charcoal and conte options for varied textures and effects. Let's put these tools to the test. Whether you're into detailed sketches or expressive charcoal work, this kit caters to all styles. The blend of graphite and charcoal ensures you can create intricate shading or bold outlines with ease. Notice how effortlessly the pencils glide across the paper. That's thanks to their quality build and balanced lead hardness. And check out these handy extras: a standard eraser, a kneaded eraser for delicate corrections, and a blender by Smudge Stick for seamless blending. Quality matters when it comes to art supplies, and Amazon Basics delivers. The pencils are crafted from durable materials, wood, metal, and graphite that ensure longevity and consistent performance. Plus, they conform to ASTM D4236 safety standards, so you can sketch with peace of mind. What sets this kit apart is its versatility. Whether you're a seasoned artist exploring new techniques or a beginner honing your skills, these tools allow for endless experimentation. From precise line work to expressive shading, you have everything you need right here. In conclusion, the Amazon Basics Sketch and Drawing Art Pencil Kit is a must-have for any artist's arsenal. It combines quality, versatility, and affordability in one package, making it suitable for artists of all levels. Whether you're sketching for pleasure or pursuing it professionally, this kit won't disappoint. And that wraps up our review. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews and tips on the best products out there. Thanks for watching Product Critique.